Hey folks, so in this video I'm going to show how all of those who participated in the XETA Capital pre-sale can build their zones now that we are launched. So this is for those who participated in the pre-sale and have XPre sitting in their wallet. First thing you want to do is come to XETAcapital.com. We're no longer pre-sale we are just XETAcapital.com. You're going to click application on the upper right corner. You'll be brought to a beautiful looking dashboard. The very first thing you want to do is click Connect Wallet on the upper right hand corner. You're going to be presented with a MetaMask request to sign. Click Sign. I'm going to confirm this on my ledger now. And then you will see your wallet address next to where it says Wallet. Okay. Now you have to have XPre in your wallet. Of course, if you participate in the pre-sale, you have XPre in your wallet. A couple of points on the XPre. So if I show you my wallet, you'll see I have 10 XPre, which equals one zone. When you build the zone, the XPre will not leave your wallet. Okay, so if you have 10 XPre, that's one zone, you build your one zone, you will still see the 10 XPre in here. You cannot use it again. It has no value. It really has no purpose. It's a fun memento token. Okay, can't be sent anywhere, can't be used, and you cannot try to build your zones a second time. Okay, it's just a fair point to bring up. So what do you need to do? What's the first thing you need to do? Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to have the correct amount of USDC in your wallet, because every zone that you build requires 15 USD coin. That 15 USD coin covers your first 28 days of the monthly membership fee. Okay, so you're paying that up front when you build your zone. And then you're covered for 28 days, and then you just pay it every 28 days after that. Okay? So there's just a tad bit of confusion. So what I'm going to do first is go to snowtrace.io. This is a public explorer for the Avalanche blockchain. If you come in here, you're going to be able to search. I'm going to type in USDC. Now what you'll notice is there are two USDCs. There's USDC and there's USDC.E. Okay, they're both one token for $1, but they are two separate tokens on the blockchain. It's a little confusing. I'm not going to get into the details of why there's two. Point is, we need to use this one that says USDC, not USDC.E. So what we want to do is I'm going to click on USDC, the top one. And what we need to do is, you see where it says contract here on the right side? We need to copy this long number. There's a little copy button right here. It says copy address. I'm going to click that. You can of course just copy and paste it. Go back into your MetaMask once you have that copied. Scroll all the way to the bottom where it says import tokens and just paste it right in here. And you'll see it automatically populates USD coin. Click add custom token and then import. And what that does is when I open up my MetaMask, I can scroll and now you see 0 USDC. Okay, so we need to have 15 of these tokens to build our zone. Okay, now just for the record, and this is just a brief mention here, there's USDCs on multiple blockchains. Almost every blockchain has a USD coin. Not all of them, but most. So Ethereum has a USD coin, of course. Avalanche has a USDC. Phantom has a USDC, and so on. So when you have USDC, it has to be on the Avalanche network, the Avalanche blockchain. So if you were to go to buy USDC on Coinbase, you cannot send it to your Avalanche wallet because it's on the Ethereum blockchain. Most of the time when you see USDC, it is on the Ethereum blockchain on most exchanges. They just unfortunately don't clarify that. The easiest thing to do is to buy AVAX on like a Coinbase, for example. You can buy AVAX, send the AVAX to your wallet, and then swap it for USDC. That's the easiest way to do this. I'm going to show you. You see I have some AVAX in my wallet. I have no USD coin. So I'm going to have to do this live for you. So just pretend I went to an exchange like KuCoin or Coinbase, any exchange where I can buy AVAX and send it, withdraw it on the C chain. Okay, you won't see that on Coinbase. You just withdraw it. That's fine. Just pretend I bought this on Coinbase. So I now need to swap a little bit of it for 15 USD coin. If you go back to the Zeta Capital app, you can click either Purchase Zeta or you can also click Trade Zeta, either way. And I'm going to, on the very top, click my AVAX. On the bottom, make sure you click USDC, just like this. And I'm going to do 15. And you see on the top it's going to be 0.635. On the bottom is 15 USDC, which I'll get. Just to be sure, I'm going to actually do 20, just to make sure I get the right amount. Okay, just do 20, just to have a little bit left over. I'm going to click swap, just preparing my ledger. Pardon me, it locked up on me. Okay. And confirm swap. Go ahead and click confirm again, and I will confirm this on my ledger now. Okay. That's going through now. The cool thing is we can do this all inside the dashboard, right? That's the cool thing about this. So go back to my MetaMask wallet here. Okay, that's finished. Now if I come in my wallet, you'll see now I have 20 USDC. I swapped a little bit of my AVAX for 20 equals $20 USD coin. Now that I have my expiry, let's go ahead and build our zones. Or in this case, just one zone. You're going to come back to the dashboard and click Create a Zone. First thing it's going to ask you is for permission. This is permission to pull the 15 USD coin out of your wallet to pay for the creation. That's what you are approving here. Okay, so just go to the bottom and hit click confirm, and I'm going to approve it on my ledger now. Second window will come up. Now this window is to actually build the zone. It's a gas fee, so you need to have some AVAX in your wallet. Avalanche Network's pretty cheap. You can see this is literally going to cost me 0.00539 AVAX. So always have a little bit of AVAX in your wallet, maybe 1 or 2 AVAX, something like that. So go ahead and click confirm. Approve it on my ledger again. That's my hardware wallet for those of you who may not know what I'm talking about. And you'll see create zone is kind of spinning right there. Okay. Now you'll see this. It says we are waiting for confirmation from the blockchain on the upper right. Okay. That means you successfully built your zone. Now, what you want to do is click view account details. And you'll notice it says no zones. Why does it say no zones? Because it takes 100 confirmations on the blockchain for your zone to show up. How long does that take? It shouldn't take too long. 5, no more than 10 minutes. Once it gets confirmed, come back here and you will see your zone populate in here. You can obviously, try to refresh if you want to, right? Won't make a huge difference because it's just going to automatically populate. You'll also see it here where it says number of zones. This number will go from a 0 to a 1 in this instance. And you'll see it populate under here. So I'm going to pause the video and then come back when the zone is ready and built. Okay, so we're back. That took about 5 minutes or so. Now you see zone 1. So if I actually click out of this modal here, go back, you'll see this now says 1. Number of zones is 1. My rewards. Okay, this will tick up, of course. If I click View Account Details, there's the zone. Okay, shows your current rewards, shows when it expires, because all zones expire, right? So 1 year from today. This shows here visually which quarter you are in. Obviously, we're in quarter one because we just bought this zone. Right? This is a visual indicator so you can see, oh, I'm in quarter three. I have one more quarter until this expires. Even though you have an expiration date, you can see the quarters there. You can pay your fees here. You can claim individually. Of course, if you have multiple zones, you can click claim now and it will claim from all of them. And if we go back to my MetaMask wallet, you will notice XPRE is still there, like I mentioned, and we had 20 USD coin, and now we have 5 because 15 was spent. Also recommend putting the XETA token address in your MetaMask. I already have it, but you click this, and you click Add Token. Okay, I just added it for a second time, but I hope this video helps for all of you folks who we greatly appreciate, who supported us during the pre-sale, came in, and allowed us to raise over $3 million and over 4,000 zones. This is how you build your zones with your pre-sale tokens. I hope this helps. Thanks, and until next time, take care.